Hey guys, welcome to my channel Phone Tech. Samsung has launched new smartphone Samsung Galaxy M20. First of all, we talk about the display. It has 6.3-inch HD plus PLS TFT display. You will get Android 8.0 Oreo and as well as you will get dual SIM option, and you will get a 5000 mAh battery. If we talk about the front camera, it has 8 megapixel front camera. Next I'm going to talk about the rear camera. It has dual rear camera, 23 megapixel plus 5 megapixel. And it has 1.8 GHz octa-core processor and Exynos 7904 chipset, and 2 options in RAM, 3GB and 4GB, and also 2 options in storage, 32GB and 64GB. Thanks friends for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for new video.